Welcome back students. I hope the first video is clear to all. Now let's start exercise 4.1. First we will do question number 6 because this question is related to the first video. Rest of the question of this exercise will be done later. Now see question number 6. Consider the following figure of line MN. Say whether following statements are true or false in context of the given figure. So see student, part A, Q, M, O, N, P are points on the line MN. Look at the figure. Now see the line MN. The points Q, M, O, N and P are lying on the same line MN. So this statement is true. Now see B part. M, O, N are points on a line segment MN. Look at the figure again. Now see the line segment MN. Points M, O, N are lying on the same line segment MN. So this statement is true. Now see C part. M and N are endpoints of line segment MN. Now we know that a line segment has two endpoints. So in this figure, line segment MN has two endpoints, M and N. So this statement is true. Now see D part. O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. Now see the line segment OP in the figure. See, O and N are not the endpoints of this line segment. Instead, the ends point are O and P. So this statement is false. I hope this is clear to all. Now see E part. M is one of the endpoints of line segment QO. Now see the line QO. M is not any of the endpoints of this line segment. So this statement is false. Okay students, now see F part. M is point on ray OP. Now see ray OP. M does not lie on ray OP. Hence, this statement is false. Now see G part. Ray OP is different from ray QP. Now see the figure again. See ray OP first and then see ray OP. QP, sorry. You can see that both rays are different. Hence, the statement is true. I hope this is clear to all. Now see student H part. Ray OP is same as ray OM. See ray OP and ray OM. As you can see, both are different. So this statement is false. Okay, now see next I part. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. You can see that ray OM and OP are going in opposite direction. So the statement is false. C part J. O is not an initial point of OP. See ray OP in figure. O is the initial point of this ray. So the statement is false. Okay students, now see K part. N is the initial point of NP and NM. See N is the initial point of both NP and NM. Hence the statement is true. Oh student, I hope question number 6 is clear to all. So students, today home task is to go through the first video and understand it thoroughly and do question number 6 of exercise 4.1 on book. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.